Just a bit more information on the object filters and object measurement. If you go to object measurements, you can see here it's a list of the object you measured in a table. And if you click on particular one, you want to see where it's reflecting the image, you can just do this one. It's a pan to zoom to the object. If you click on that one, it'll give you different highlight of the object that you zoomed in. You couldn't see it because the area is too small. Let's pick a bigger one. If we go with the bigger one, for example, this one. If I have this one clicked, you can see the area got the grid pattern highlight there, and it means this is corresponding to this line of data. If you click on that one and switch into another one, it can be very useful if you want to quickly check which one is which. And you can just turn it on. There's options for pan to zoom. So if you do a pan to zoom option, if you click on a smaller, very small object, and you can just click that one, it'll zoom to the region that should reflect where it is. For example, we do this one, and it just a matter with finding where it's actually is. It's right here. You can see it's very small, but it'll zoom to the region to easier for you to find exactly the object. You can add in, as I mentioned, you can add in different parameters you want to measure. Use this select object measurements. Once you add it in, if you go to the filter, and they will be added into this list, you pretty much can use this list to filter out things. For example, we use a shape factor. This is to measure how round the object is. Some of them is really flat and long. The shape factor will be very low. And if it's close to 1, it's almost like a circle. And you can add in any sort of number, 0.1, and then you can add in another 1.9. And again, they give you 2 lines here. You can adjust. If you want a more round one, you just keep going to that direction. And you can apply multiple filters to this image. As you can see, the object left on the screen now is sort of like a roundish. And then you can click the filter setting by clicking on this one, clear the minimum value or clear the maximum value. The good thing is you can actually save your filter once you set it up into a file with a name. We just do it a test field. Once you save it, if you change any of this value, and you want to apply the same filter to a different image, and you just open it and you load the filter, and the filter will come back immediately. This is going to increase your speed of your workflow.